Today's recipe is my most ultimate family favorite, and the name of the recipe, Railway Cutlets. The name Railway Cutlets are basically cutlets available across the rails in India. They are these deep purple, deep maroon, beetroot colored cutlets, vegetable cutlets available in the train bogies. If you are somebody who travels across India, this is something that shouldn't be new to you. Of course, it's a recipe today, so you'll see a very different side of it. To begin with, let's grate in raw carrot and beetroot. Let's move on to grating boiled and peeled potatoes as well. I'm going to take every little goodness from this because, of course, we don't want to miss on any of this. To this, I'm going to add in French beans, which are, of course, washed and strained and finely chopped. Well, here if you see, it's a mixture of different colors coming in together with that beautiful play of carrots and beetroots and French beans and potatoes. It's all lovely and how. To this, let's add in paste of ginger, garlic and green chilies. Let's add in some spices, beginning with home ground Garam Masala powder, a touch of Red Chilli Powder. Let's not add in too much of red chili because you do not want the color of the cutlet to change. Remember, it's going to be that nice beetrooty pink colored cutlet. Let's add in bread crumbs so that all the moisture that would eventually release from the cutlets would get absorbed. Salt as required. If you've added salt while boiling the potatoes, add salt with caution. Let's start mixing and bringing all of this together. Once this mixture is done and ready, the next step is to start pinching lemon-sized balls like these. And next, we're going to convert these into teardrops. What we need to do is roll it roughly like this, and then we press it. So this is how you make instant teardrops. Similarly, let's start making some more. Let's move on to the next step, and that is frying these cutlets. Now, before this gets into the fryer, I am also going to dab these into some semolina and dab these lightly. Do not want these to be heavily crusted, just a light single layer, and that's good. Finally, once this is done, we're going to just ensure that the excess semolina gets knocked out while the oil is heating up, and this gets placed in the pan. After frying these carefully on one side, we'll flip this like so. With this, my recipe for railway cutlets is done and ready, and now this is all yours. You serve this with sliced bread, with green peas and with French fries at the rails, but otherwise at home, I prefer this just like that. Try this and do let me know how you like it. Bye for now.